Nara Corporation is a company that specializes in power-delivering equipment. Our turning gears for vessel engines and couplings for industrial use are of best quality in the world. In addition, we succeeded in developing transmission fluid couplings with our technology for the first time in Korea. We have established a world-class corporate culture and are training most competent employees to leap forward into a global company. Our goal is to provide power-delivering equipment in the top notch of perfection. We value people primarily, a company that adds value to value. Nara Corporation's power reaches all parts of the world, from wind power industries to vessel engines. Variable speed fluid coupling. This is Korea's first fluid drive developed with purely Korean technology, improving the operating method of existing inefficient centrifuge machines to drastically conserve power. Our technology provides many benefits. It conserves motor power, increases the efficiency compared with the existing control valves or damper control methods, protect motors from shocks and vibrations on load and no-load maneuvers, enables remote automatic operation using PLC, requires no separate control system, and needs minimum repair and maintenance costs. Couplings. Our couplings efficiently deliver power from motors and stably move it to driven shafts. Our superior technology has been acknowledged globally, and our couplings are used in various industries: railroad cars, pumps, conveyor belts, cranes, and generators. Turning gear. As a turning gear used in vessel engines, the idle gear slows down while rotating around the sun gear. In particular, it can save much more on slowing down power than general turning gears. The turning gear is mainly used on large and low-speed diesel engines as well as mid-speed engines. When assembling an engine, it rotates the engine flywheel, thereby enabling easy assembly, and is used to assist decomposition tuning, vessel anchoring, and engine lubrication when taking off for sailing. Wind power solution. Wind power is an energy resource that is indispensable in our lives. Our wind power solution delivers power and rotating energy between the accelerator and the generator to protect the peripheral equipment against slip where there is excessive load. Automation components. Our automation components boast of low noise, high durability, high accuracy, long life, and high efficiency. They are classified into precision turning gears and microcouplings with normal or reverse rotation characteristics. In particular, the precision turning gear has applied a helical gear to enhance the torque and keep quiet operation. Defense industry. Our company is playing an important role in the Korean defense industry by providing high-speed fluid couplings of K-9, Korean's main self-propelled artillery, and power-delivering parts of a steering unit of K-1, Korea's main battle tank. The value of our technology is acknowledged beyond Korea and in global industries. Thanks to our outstanding technology, we are exporting our products to all parts of the world. As the first company that has developed power-delivering devices with purely Korean technology, Nara Corporation is now advancing into the world. Our clients include countries not only in Asia, but all over the world. Nara Corporation keeps advancing and will progress more.